So banana is gone in, and we're gonna smash it. So you can smash it either way you like, as long as it's well and truly deeply mashed. It's not hard to smash those bananas because they're already pretty ripe, so they're not very hard. They're nice and soft already, and it's got this sweet smell coming out of it, so it's beautiful. There we go. So it might have some brownies on it. Never mind, brownies are always good. It's a sign that the banana is pretty much on its last days and ready to be used. So once you smash the banana, next step is a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, which I've got here prepared. Vegetable oil was there, all prepared, just go straight in. Whee! Beautiful. Okay. So with the banana mixing, you don't want to over mix it, so you want to use something soft like that and just sort of blend it in together, push it in without over mixing it. Once that's done, you go to 1/4 light brown sugar, which I have here also prepared. Beautiful brown sugar. Brown is always healthy. As a matter of fact, everything you put in your mouth, try to have it brown. White is not the way to go. Brown definitely is. Any color is good for you. Mix it up with the oil, with the banana, nice and beautifully mixed. Like I say, don't over mix it, but just make it all, do some eighths, makes it all go in. Next one, we now have 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. So 1 teaspoon is here, that's all the measurement. This is the 1 spoon, and the vanilla extract is here. I'll show you the brand and type and style. You can get any vanilla extract, is good. This is just the one that I prefer to use. And in it goes. Beautiful. Just enough. In it goes. Put it down, close the lid, and a bit of a mix again. That's right, it was 2 spoons, so there's 1 more. I nearly forgot, there was 2, not 1. Yeah, 2 cups of the unblended all pure flour. So that's the flour here, that's 1 cup. As you can see, it says 1 cup in there. It's just easier to measure. And so we got 2 full cups. So make sure it's full all the way to the top. So once it gets to the top, you can either use a knife or use the body side of your spoon and just go across. There you go, and voila, so that's 1 full cup. In it goes, and then off to the 2nd cup. Be patient, nearly there, nearly there. Awesome. That's it. And in it goes. 2 cups are in. Next is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, which we're not going to do today, next time, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which we have here. So this is 1 teaspoon. You go about that, 1 teaspoon. In it goes. I forgot to close the lid. And half half a teaspoon of salt, which we have here. Teaspoon is here, so I'm gonna go for the half, which is the smaller version of 1/4, that's half. Nice and full to the top, lined up, in it goes. Alright, we're nearly there, and the sliced bananas for the topping, we're also going to have it off, as we don't really need it, and I don't particularly like it, but if you do like it, please be my guest and put the the sliced bananas for the topping. So now that we have all this together, last but not least is the half a cup of milk. So here we go, beautiful. That's vegan, it's soy milk. As you can see, that's the brand I use. So if you know any other brand, be my guest, but this is the one that I use. Make sure it's nice and full. Make sure it's 1/4. Perfect, goes in there. And now I have everything I need inside the bowl. I can just mix it all up. Nice and soft. As I said before, don't over mix. The banana bread doesn't really like to be over mixed, just enough, just to get it mixed and blended together. And stay tuned, and I'll show you the end results in a few minutes time. This is all now mixed up. This is what it looks like. So once you get it to this point, put it on a baking bowl. The baking bowl has got a bit of oil in it to avoid it's getting stuck in the sides, on the walls, and just like that. Spread it around so it goes everywhere. Put in as much as you can. All of it, don't waste anything. And that's what it looks like just before it goes to the oven, and goes in with 180 Fahrenheit and degrees, and then you go for 45 minutes. After the 45 minutes, I will show you what it looks like. Can't wait.